I'm excited to introduce the August Happy Mail subscription box. This one is called Fall Bounty. And I know it seems weird to be thinking about fall in August when it's so hot, but these ship all month long, and that will give you plenty of time to work on some fall crafts for September and October. It's obviously, you can see a whole collection of beautiful autumn tones with some reds and yellows and orange, some really beautiful browns, green and blue, all kinds of specialty papers. Let me cover exactly what's included this month. Every Happy Mail box starts off with a beautiful Encore color palette. This month we have 5 beautiful colors. We have apricot jam, red wine, cactus, sandcastle, and blue jeans. So this is our base color palette, and then everything else is chosen to coordinate with that. So first up, we have a Wow glitter cardstock. This is our fine glitter cardstock. So it has just a beautiful glittery shimmer, but it doesn't shed at all, and it cuts beautifully. You'll be really impressed with how it cuts. This is the garnet red color. It's kind of a burgundy red. Next, we have Dotted Swiss. This is the embossed basil cardstock, and the color on this is honey. Then we have Cereal Pearl in Aurum. This is one of my favorite papers at 12 by 12 cardstock shop. It's a gold pearlescent smooth, but the shine is just fabulous. Then we have our large diamonds gold foil. This is an embossed gold foil. So you get that cool matte metallic shine, but you have the added addition of the cool embossing. Next we have My Colors Glimmer in golden yellow. So this is a textured pearlescent. You can see it has that mica finish on it. Now this month, it is not a mistake. You are getting 2 sheets of the Simple Stories wood grain. We just love this paper. And for our project, you'll see in a minute, we're making a banner. And so you needed 2 sheets of something for your banner background. But this is also fun because this paper is so gorgeous, and it would make a great double page layout spread, or if you wanted to build a dimensional of some sort, you have lots of extra to work with. Plus it's just so beautiful. You're gonna want 2 sheets. Next up is our sequin glitter cardstock. This has these cool hexagon shaped sequins, which makes this so absolutely shiny and glittery. And this is the color Copper. For our glitter looks this month, we have Neon Persimmon and Bronze Fusion. The Neon Persimmon has kind of a multi-tone orange shimmer. And then this one is really cool. It has like different colored flecks in it, and it has the same blue and orange and kind of crimson red in it. So it's a really interesting paper. It's totally gorgeous. Then we have our Encore Sage Matte Foil. This color is hard to pick up, but you can see it's a matte foil in this really light pale green. And then last but not least, we have Mohawk Jute. This is a craft paper, and it has those signature kind of craft fibers in it. So that is everything that is included in the main kit. And then as always, you're getting some mystery items as well. You'll be getting 4 mystery sheets of cardstock, and these are exclusive to the kit. We don't carry them in the shop. They're kind of a mystery item, and they're one and done, so you can try out some fun new papers. And as always, we have a free bonus SVG class included with your kit. This month, we're going to be making this gorgeous fall banner. You can see all these beautiful specialty papers, and we've got lots of gorgeous layers. This will be so fun for your fall mantle. So that is included free with your Happy Mail kit this month. So there you have it. This is called Fall Bounty. It's available in the shop now. And remember, all of these kits include free shipping. So you're getting a beautiful curated selection of cardstock, and you're also getting free shipping. You can choose to subscribe for as little as 1 month or up to 6 months. And then once you've fulfilled your commitment, you can continue receiving it at the same price for as long as you would like. So be sure and grab one for yourself and get ready for fall crafting.